Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of previous topic, that is simple and compound to complex. Okay, look here. Here is the same question. Change the following compound sentences to form a single complex sentence. That means we want to form a complex sentence with the help of that compound sentences. Okay, here are some compound sentences we want to form. We have to form a single complex sentence. Okay, look here. Reserving seats for a section of society and helping them financially are two different things. Okay, these are the two sentences. That means it joined with coordinating conjunction, that is and. Okay, it joins with and so it indicates compound sentence. Okay, it joined with coordinating conjunction, so that these two sentences are called compound sentences. Okay, and we want to form a complex sentence with the help of this compound sentence. Okay, look here. There are two different things. Okay, according to sentence meaning, we can take here the sentence. There are two different things. Okay, there are two different things, of which one is reserving seat for a section of society and the other is helping them financially. In this example, we use which. Okay, remember this. We convert or we create a sentence, a complex sentence. Okay, there are two different things, of which one is reserving seats for a section of society and the other is helping them financially. That means one clause is independent and other two are dependent clause, that indicate this sentence related with a complex sentence. Okay, now the second one is here. The village had no water supply, nor did it have electricity. Okay, these are two sentences with join with nor. Okay, that indicate it is a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence, and we have to form a single complex sentence. Look here. Not only the village lacked no water. Okay, not only, we use here the subordinating conjunction. Not only did the village lack no water supply, but it also lacked electricity. Okay, that means there is no water supply, also no electricity. That indicate this complex sentence. Okay, the next sentence is here. Either it was a hilarious comedy or a depressing tragedy. Hilarious means happy, joyful. Remember this. Hilarious means happy, like this. Okay, a hilarious comedy or a depressing tragedy. Okay, this is a compound sentence. Okay, which joins with all these coordinating conjunctions. We have to convert that compound sentence into complex sentence. Look here, it could be a hilarious comedy. It could be a hilarious comedy, as well as we use here subordinating conjunctions as well as according to sentence meaning. Okay, it could be a hilarious comedy as well as a depressing tragedy. Okay, in this way we can convert one compound sentence into a single complex sentence. Now the next one is here. The Bay of San Francisco. Okay, the Bay of San Francisco, it is one synonym like that. Okay, the Bay of San Francisco is situated near the Pacific Ocean and receives the cool ocean breeze. Okay, in this example, if you observe, these are two sentences which joins with and. Okay, which joins with and, this coordinating. The Bay of San Francisco is situated near the Pacific Ocean. It is one sentence and receives the cool ocean breeze. It is the another sentence which joins with coordinating conjunction and. Okay, so it is a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence, and you have to convert that compound sentence into a complex sentence. Look here, the Bay of San Francisco, which is situated near the Pacific Ocean, receives the cool ocean breeze. Okay, remember this. The Bay of San Francisco, which is situated near the Pacific Ocean, receives the cool ocean breeze. It is one complex sentence. Okay, you can easily convert any compound sentence into a complex sentence using subordinating conjunction. Okay, the remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Okay.